Welcome to Farming with Rasta. Thank you for all for watching and all the subscribers. I give you thanks for watching. So we had the carrot, what we started from the beginning. Now we're going to do some carrot juice that you can see what we do here, and we're just going to get some carrot together and make some juice. So here we go. This is what we had started out with. So we're gonna do some completion, make some juice, so that you can, here we go, nice carrot. So we're gonna put some juice together right now out of the farm and let you see how I as a Rasta man make juice from carrot. Let's go and start this juice in the farm. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go closer to the where we're gonna juice this carrot. You all see and catch on what to do and what we do. So just gonna get these carrots prepared and show you how we do things from the field. So you're gonna do a little bit of scraping here first. Get off the dirt part first. This is how I do my thing naturally. And then we're gonna wash them off first before we do any further. But we gotta get off the coarse dirt and make sure that lots of the dirt area come off. And then we do some washing. Make sure they're really clean so that when you make your juice, you're not having any dirt, but just your carrot juice. So, just gonna do this as fast as I can. A few more. Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna do getting the carrot and prepared before I wash them off. We're gonna get to business by making some juice in the farm. Okay. Gonna get them more cleaner. So, oops. This is what we use as our blender, which is called a greata. So, I'm gonna grate this carrot. You know, get this going as good as I can do it, so that you can see what my blender does. Natural blender. Blender, but this is how we do things. Just bear with me while I finish up the gratoring. Yeah. Getting the ready. I'm gonna squeeze the juice. Give it a squeeze. Couple squeeze before I take the trash out. That goes back to the earth. So I'm straining it off now, taking the trash out of it, and get the pure juice. So right now, squeeze this out. Let me finish up this. Okay. There we go. Here we go, nice and rich. So that's my juice here. Put it there a little. Here, a little ginger. I'm not so much of a milk person, so I don't use milk in my my juice. For me as a Ras, milk is not so healthy for me. I don't know about for others, but for me, I don't use milk. So get my ginger all together here, cleaned. Take off the skin. There you go. So let's go. This is my ginger right time. Put in this juice. So as you see, ginger is very good for you. Good for circulation in your body, and it's just, you know, other health in there. So there you go. That's my ginger done. So I'm gonna use the water now and kind of wash it off a little down here, so that you can get most of the ginger out. As you see, that's my ginger here. Some sour orange. Sour orange is very good. You know, if you're making lemonade, to me the sour orange is a little bit better than the lime. It makes you more relaxed. There you go. That's my sour orange right there, juice in there. Get my little lime and ginger in my juice. Make sure I squeeze all the juice out of the ginger and the sour orange that goes into this carrot juice here. Give it a very good flavor. Here's my little, I'm gonna add some sugar for taste. Well, I'm a sweet person. They say sugar is not good for you. I understand which sugar is not good for you. The sugar that comes from turnip, which is the white sugar that they use for baking and putting your bread on and bun on all those things, that sugar is not good for you. But the cane sugar is a very good healthy sugar to use. You don't have to use much of it, but it's better than the white sugar, because the white sugar doesn't come from cane, it comes from turnip. And that sugar that comes from the turnip is not so good for you to have too much of it. If you can stay away from it and use the brown sugar, which is the cane sugar, it will be better for you. But when they say sugar is not good for you, you got to get energy. And anything sweet gives you energy. But the good cane sugar we have here in Jamaica You don't use much of it, but you use a little of it. So I'm gonna get a little taste here. I love when I make my carrot juice and relax with a nice meal. And gonna get my thing covered here. Okay, doesn't want to work. So yeah, so here's your carrot juice from the farm up right up there where I planted, where you see me make the bed and do all this sowing. So here we go. Nice and fresh. So I'm gonna sip this glass. The ginger is very good. The sour orange is so nice within it. Just like this. And make it as strong as you want it, and put the amount of sugar you need in it and the amount of ginger. There you go. A nice glass of carrot juice that I just take straight from the farm. Do it in my field, in the farm, and it's very nice. So as you see, we have this nice carrot juice here. And this is it for the carrot juice for the now. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, subscribe.